Hey friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we are gonna see a detailed review of the truly wireless earbuds which me and my friend unboxed a week ago. Now my friend Akshay is over here.
Hi friends.
Now without wasting time, let's get started. Now at first let's talk about the connectivity. How was the connectivity of this TWS?
It was really good.
What about the range?
The range of it is nearly to 10 meters, maximum 15 meters. After that, it gets little merged in the connection.
Then how it gets paired with your mobile phone?
When I open the box, within a fraction of a second, it gets paired to my mobile phone. So it's very fast connecting.
How was the fitting of this TWS?
The fitting of this TWS is really good. It is comfortable in your ears. You yourself can see it.
How was the audio quality of this TWS?
The audio quality of this TWS is really good. According to my opinion, the bass is little low compared to the sound.
What do you feel while speaking phone calls?
While speaking phone calls, the audio quality of this TWS is really good. But I felt one thing while connecting to the laptop, I had an audio merge which was not realistic.
In the unboxing video, we said that it has IPX4 rating, so it is sweat proof. Do you wear it in your workout period?
Yeah, obviously, I do wear it in my workout period, which was very useful for me, and it is sweat proof and it is nice. Both the earbuds can be charged 2 to 3 times in this case, and the case needs to be charged to 1.5 hours to 2 hours. Both the AirPod and the case are magnet, so when you place the AirPod in the case, it gets pulled by the magnet and perfectly it gets locked.
How can I control this TWS?
Uh, Both of these AirPods have touch sensor in this area, so you can control all your activities in this touch access.
How was the battery backup?
The battery lasts for 5 to 6 hours and it's quite good.
Okay, now let's talk about the pros and cons of this TWS. What are the advantages which you feel in this TWS?
The advantage which is I felt is the battery backup which lasted for 6 hours and which made me happy, and the connectivity range which was truly good, and mainly the IPX4 rating which prevented my AirPods to get without getting damage to the sweat and water. And one more thing which I forgot to say is the audio quality, and it is truly good and I like it.
Okay, what are the disadvantages you saw in this TWS?
The only one disadvantage which I saw in this TWS was the audio merge. When I connect to the laptop, the audio is robotic.
That's it guys, we came to the end of the video.
Hope you guys like our video.
Let's see in the next video. Thank you guys.
Thank you guys.